Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be creating a work of art inspired by the artist Yayoi Kusama. Kusama is obsessed with polka dots, and she has a series of paintings of pumpkins with polka dots. For this drawing, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, a pencil, a marker or a Sharpie marker, scissors, glue, crayons, and markers. To start this drawing, you're going to decide whether or not you want your paper to be held vertically or horizontally. Horizontally means side to side, vertically means up and down. If you hold your paper vertically, your pumpkin will be taller. If you hold your paper horizontally, it will be wider. To start the drawing of your pumpkin, you're going to begin using a vertical oval, a long vertical oval in the center of your paper. Then you're going to add a curved line to the right side of that oval, connecting at the top and bottom, and you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Then you will repeat that process one more time. Next, you're going to draw the stem of your pumpkin by drawing a curved line from the top of your pumpkin up and curving over, and then another curved line for the other side of the stem, and a diagonal line to connect the two. We are going to fill our pumpkin with polka dot and circle designs, just like Kusama did. You can draw these polka dot designs however you choose. If you need some inspiration, you can always Google Kusama and her pumpkin paintings, or you can Google Zentangle dot designs. I'm done drawing all the designs of my pumpkin. I like to outline the lines to make them a little thicker and more bold. For my stem, I'm going to draw little dots, and then I'm going to color in the background area of my stem, leaving the dots white. This is opposite of what I did on the actual pumpkin. This is a contrasting design because I colored in the background of the dots and left the dots white. Whereas on my pumpkin, I left the background white and colored most of my dots in. It's important to have contrasting designs or colors in your artwork because it makes the artwork more interesting when things are a little different and not everything is the same. To color in my pumpkin, I'm going to use crayon and marker because they are going to give me contrasting kind of textures and colors, because my crayon is going to be a little lighter in color and my marker will be a little darker in color. I will color 3 sections of my pumpkin with crayon and 2 sections of my pumpkin with marker. So I'm going to color every other one with crayon and then the other 2 with marker. I'm going to make a background for my pumpkin like Kusama did on a separate sheet of paper, and later on cut out my pumpkin and glue it to this piece of paper. So to draw this background, you're going to start in the center by drawing some triangles and squares that are connected to each other. And you're going to do this with marker or crayon, maybe in the color orange, or if you want to choose another color, you can do that. And you're going to continue to draw these triangles and squares until they fill up the entire piece of paper. Now that I have my whole background drawn, I'm going to cut out my pumpkin. So you want to make sure that when you cut out your pumpkin, you do not cut off the black bold outline around your pumpkin. Okay, leave a little bit of space. Even if you leave a little bit of white paper, that's fine, but do not cut off that bold black outline of your pumpkin because that's going to really help it stand out once you glue it to your other background's paper. Next, you want to take a glue stick or a glue bottle, put a little bit of glue around the edges of your pumpkin, and then stick it to your background. Don't forget, after you stick your pumpkin to your background, that you always want to sign your artwork. And you can sign it at the top of your paper or at the bottom of your paper, wherever you choose. I hope you enjoy drawing your Kusama-inspired pumpkin. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and don't worry if you make a mistake. See you next time.